Hey YouTube, we're going to learn Worlds of Possibilities by the Pastels. This is the main riff. We're going to learn that, but let's start figuring out the key of the song. We're going to listen to the bass line. It goes... starts on B, and then it walks up to E. So basically the chords of this song are B and E. Here is a E chord at the 7th fret. Okay, and then this is like your A shape here. Like A, B, C, D, E. So when we're barring our finger here, it's an E chord. Alright, so we go. This is E, it starts on E, we hammer out. Then you slide up 2 frets. You're kind of doing some hammer-ons, not necessarily all at once, like... You can just kind of play it on the G string. So that is what you need to practice. Oh yeah, the other riff that's played is high E on the 12th fret, and then a B on the 14th. And then we go to 12-12 on the high E and the B. And then we go to same shape we started with, except we're going to play it on the 7th and 9th. 7 on the high E, 9 on the B. And then at the end of the song, there's a little like little soloing, and that's being played in the C sharp minor pentatonic. Here's your root. That's the relative minor of E. That's why it sounds like a major, even though we're playing C sharp minor. And you can play this little extension box at 12, 14, 12, 14, 13 on the G. Okay, that should get you through that song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.